Hi guys, Kelly Spence here, and I'm so excited to have you guys back to my channel. And I wanted to show you guys these amazing new Limelife by Alcone Claim to Flame brow pencils. They are seriously the best brow pencil. I'm not a brow pencil girl. You guys know I like to use eyeshadow for my eyebrows, but these have changed the game for me. They are so incredibly perfect. They come in 3 different shades. They have this super precise pencil and they're amazing. So stay tuned to see how I created these beautiful brows with the medium brow pencil.